What's going on, guys? So we're picking up this 2009 Ducati 1100S. Thing has got 13,000 miles on it. The guy's asking 5,500. Got him down to 5,000 over Facebook Marketplace Messenger, and I'm going to try to hit him with 48 when we get up here. It's a heck of a bike. It's all black, basically stock, except for you got that see-through clutch cover, and then dual exhaust coming out the back. So after I get that one, hopefully I get that one, then I'm going out to the coast up here in North Carolina to get 2016 FZ09. It's got, I don't know, I can't remember, like 8,000 miles or something on it like that. Anyway, so they not wrecked or anything like that. The dude's, I think he was asking 55 as well. I got him down to 48. So we're gonna hopefully get that one. I'll probably pay full asking price for that, or what he told me, 4,800, which is a screaming deal for a 4-year-old bike. But next time I'm going to pick up Ducati first, so hopefully I'll get it. And here's what it looks like. Then the FZ09, I'll pick it up after that, and here's what it looks like.
Just make a U and come back.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Didn't think he was going to let me take off there for a second. Test drive it. Oh yeah, it's got some power to it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it
feels nice.
Oh yeah.
Second gear wheelie. Yeah, definitely gonna buy this. He's asking 5. Let's see if we can get him down to, I don't think he'll come down any further, but we'll see if we can get him down to whatever, 48, probably not, 49 maybe. Let's shoot for 49. Cover the gas. Sounds good. Sounds really good. I know you said 5 is the lowest you want to go. Is there any way you do 49 since I drove up the thing?
Sure, what the hell? It's 4th of July, man.
Like, damn, that's a cold ass honky. Rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes. Those are green, draped in a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me. Probably should have washed this. Smells like R. Kelly sheets. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get confident, washing it, about to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins, someone else has been walking in by me and grudgy fucking me. I'm stunting and flossing and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style, I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real, ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Thank you, Lord, jumpsuit and some house slippers. Looking around in the jacket that I found, digging. They had a broken keyboard, I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket, then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game, hell no. I can take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. The sneakerheads will be like, he got the Velcro.
I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for.
I guess I'll be sleeping in my truck tonight. I tried getting a hotel, but being the 4th of July weekend, they're all booked up. So,
Gay!
Oh well. Anyway, we'll take these bikes out tomorrow along with the supermotos and rip it up for you. So we're back. Just spent the night in that truck. So it wasn't the greatest thing ever. All right, Andy.